In 1912 and in 1914, we had three amazing young men come to St. Catherine's. They were Alfred Adderley, Thomas Hutton Mills and Cecil Belfield Clarke.
Dr. Clarke established his surgery here on this site just 6 years after arriving in the UK.
Dr. Clarke was also elected to the BMA Council, like myself, and sat as a representative to the West Indies in the 1950s. He helped shape our association's history for the better. He made these major contributions despite being forced to hide his true self from the world. Dr. Clarke was a gay man and shielded his sexuality from his friends, his colleagues and society.
Cecil Belfield Clarke lived in Barnet. He lived in a house called Belfield House with his partner, Edward Walter. Every day, almost without exception, Cecil would come down to the Elephant Castle and keep his surgery open.
He was like a superhero. He had so many other assets and facets to him and people didn't know, just like a true superhero, but he'd done it in reverse. So they knew the doctor, the medical doctor, but they didn't know, most of his patients didn't know about his sexuality, for instance, didn't know that he was a pioneer and civil rights activist, didn't know that he came up with the Clarke rule.
Clarke's rule, as it is known, is recognises the need to adjust doses in children.
Tens of thousands of people walk past there, drive past every day, so it's going to be seen for the next 10, 20 years, and people are going to know about Dr. Cecil Belfield Clarke, who should be much better than he is.
He was made invisible because his contribution should never have been hidden or unknown.